not going to claim that I or McDonald's is an expert when it comes to mobile. Far from it. I think we're on catch-up mode. Barney might agree with me that a lot of the established brands are probably the ones who have difficulty adapting to new things. In fact, I wanted to congratulate everybody here. So congratulations to you. I think your presence here signifies that you are believers in the future of mobile. The challenge actually, even for us, is to convince your CEOs. You may belong to a company and your CEO is about 50 years old and above. Therefore, they were born in the 60s. And it's quite difficult for them to embrace, something so new. And I get excited when I see applications like the Qingtao application earlier, or even the Juicy Fruit. My daughter actually uses that app on her iTouch. But for somebody born in the 60s, this is not a natural thing. In fact, the advice I got in a training with McDonald's is I should practice reverse mentoring. That means I have to listen to my children who are described as digital natives. Digital natives, I believe, are 15 years old and below. Not a 20-year-old. They're not a pure digital native because of the year they were born and what they were exposed to. So I have two digital natives. My daughter is 11 and my son is 14. And we practice reverse mentoring. Because it's such a natural thing for them. When they were born, they were already exposed to that. So I think you should encourage your 50-something CEOs or 40-something marketing heads to practice reverse mentoring. And then maybe, just maybe, they can really embrace and see that power of mobile. The 2-year-old daughter of my marketing manager, she bought her an iPad, so of course she plays games and has all kinds of apps on it. And then her husband has I think it's an HTAC? Is that it's like it's not a BlackBerry, but it has a touch screen. And the BlackBerry of my marketing manager is still the trackball. So her daughter kept touching the screen of the BlackBerry. Imagine her 2-year-old thought that every single screen in this world, is interactive and you can touch it. And she was really, they said the way they move their